Hi, so today is my first video on my YouTube channel after so long time, and today I'm gonna shoot a makeup look that is gonna be related to my dress. It will be a navy blue eye look, so let's get started. So it would be a dramatic look, as you can see. So first I'm gonna do my eye makeup and then I'm gonna go to my base. So first I am taking the concealer from Natasha Denona. This is their HY concealer. I am applying it on my eyelids for a clean base and I am blending it with my brush. I am not gonna set it because I want the full coverage all for my eyeshadows. So here I am taking the shade Gratitude from my Huda Beauty palette. It is the Rose Quartz palette on a blending brush and I am applying it on my crease. Next I am taking a clean blending brush to smooth out the edges of my crease. Here I am using the Gel Studio eyeliner by Maybelline. I am going to apply a eyeliner and then I am using a smudger brush to smudge out and make a smoky look here. Once it's done, I am taking the Cosmic Love shade from the Huda Beauty palette on a flat shader brush and I am applying it on my crease in a diagonal motion. It is a very nice and very smooth shade. It is very soft and it was very easy to apply. Next I am taking a small shader brush and I am applying the shade Moon Magic in the inner 1/3 part of my eyelid. Then I am applying the eyeliner from Kylie to darken up the already applied eyeliner. In last, I am taking the shade Empowered from the palette, and guys, it was very difficult to apply. It was very powdery and whenever I am dusting off my brush, all the eyeshadow will be gone. I am also applying the same shade on my lower lash line. Now I am doing my other eye very quickly, and then we will move on to the base. I am using a wet wipe to wipe off any fallout from the eyeshadow. First, I have applied my primer from the Benefit. It is their Benefit POREfessional primer. I am applying it on my cheeks and my T-zone area wherever I have large pores. It is gonna blur out the pores and give me a smooth surface. Next, I am taking the Hello Glow filter from e.l.f. and I am applying it on my cheeks and my forehead and my chin for the glow. For my foundation, I am using the foundation from Estée Lauder. It is their double wear foundation. This foundation is very thin in consistency, but it is very high coverage. You can build up the coverage as per your liking. For my blush, I am using a liquid blush here. It is from Tilbury. This is their blush wand in the shade Pink Pop. I am going for a fuller look today and plumpy cheeks, and for that I am applying it all over my cheeks. And last, I am again taking the concealer from Natasha Denona and I am applying it only under my eyes. And I took the concealer blending brush from Milagro and I am blending it with it. It was very quick and easy to blend. Then I am setting it with the loose powder from Huda Beauty. It is their Easy Bake powder in the shade Cupcake. Now I am taking the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I am applying it on my jawline for a chiseled look and I am also applying it on my cheeks for a contoured look. Once the contour is done, I am applying my highlighter. This is also from Benefit. It is their highlighter and it matches my skin perfectly. I am applying it on my cheeks, my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. In the last, I am going to do my brows. I am using the Anastasia Deep Brow. It is in the shade Chocolate. I am just filling up my brows. And I finally found my brow gel. I don't know where I put it, but in the last I did find it. I am setting my brows with this brow gel. For my lashes, I am using the mascara from Fenty Beauty. I am gonna coat my upper and lower lashes with this mascara. I am not using any lashes today, so this mascara is gonna give me volume and also the length which I want. I am doing a little bit of nose contour with the same Hoola bronzer. For my lips, I am taking the Super Shock lip liner from LA Girls Cosmetics. It is in the shade Sand. I am overlining only the middle part of my lips, and for the rest of the part, I am just lining the actual line. Now I am taking the lipstick from Kylie. It is their matte bullet lipstick in the shade Kylie. And after that, I am going to use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. The lip gloss is in the shade Is It Fuzzy. And once my makeup is done, I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray to set my makeup in place. So this is the final look. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a cute comment below. Thank you.